Hi guys, how are you? I hope doing well. Welcome to my channel TKF Electronics. Today I have received um, Sony. This is the model DZ-350. The issue in this unit is showing hello problem. Let's check it out. See, it is showing hello problem. I'll show you. See. So let's open this one. What is the issue? We'll check it out. So this is the condition of the set. So first of all, we'll check all the components around somewhere here. RAM IC, this is the main system IC, this is the RAM IC, so this is the Steam IC, this one. So now what we will do, we'll just check all the small components like resistor, fuse and everything around somewhere here, big IC, somewhere like this. So once we've confirm that all other small parts are okay, then we'll go for replacing the RAM IC, this one, because 100% this IC will be faulty when we are facing the problem of issue. So let's see. I will first let me check it out the small parts all. So once we confirm that all small parts are okay, we'll go for the RAM IC. So just keep watching. Guys, I have removed this IC. So I just resolder this one. See, so now we'll change with the new one. I got the new one. So first we'll clean out the area, everything. Then we got the new one. Here is the new one IC. I'll put the new IC now. In this first we'll clean the area, everything. Yes guys, see, I have cleaned out the area with clean. So before installing new IC, we should be very sure that the area should be very clean and no contact should be shorted to each other, so that it will affect our new IC. So before putting new IC, the area should be very clean. Should be very careful. Should be like this. The area should be very clean. So before install, align properly so that it will solder. So now I will solder it and let me do solder. Yeah guys, I have soldered new IC. See, and the old IC is in my hand. This is the old IC. So I removed this one. So I put the new IC now. So should be very careful before switch on the player. So check it out one more time, each and every points. Then we switch it on now. I soldered the new IC now. Now I'll switch on the set. I'll switch on now. So I put it on. See, yeah, see, audio in. Hello is gone now. Change function, Bluetooth, USB, FM, everything is working. Optical, audio in, see, everything. So the problem is this RAM IC only, so I replace with the new one. So please do subscribe to my channel. Whenever I upload new video, you will get notification. Bye guys, take care.